Hi, my name is Roland, and I want to introduce you to another serial data visualization tool for serial comports. It's written in Python using tkinter and matplotlib. To run the application, just go into the source folder. You will find the main, which will pop up this window. Here we have the option to select the serial device from the comport with predefined list of baud rates which can be modified. I have attached to it Sparkfun breadboard with the IMU providing accelerometer and gyroscope reading at a rate of 100 Hz. And let's open it. If you do not open it, then you just, if you want to open a plotter window or logger window, you will receive an error. So first open it, and then we should see wrong port. So we should see now some readings, and if I move my sensor board, we will see also changes in the values. Good, now let's go to the plotting capabilities. So each plot is held in a plotter window, and we can create multiples. And here, most importantly, is the format string. And as we see, we receive readings from two different sensors with two different prefixes. One is gyro and one is X. And yeah, let's try to parse it. Therefore, just type the format. And this tells you that we want to pass 3 floating point values and having this exact format. Then we can title it. Good. Here you can specify a legend, how many samples you want to keep in the buffer, and how fast the update of the graph should be, because this is running in a thread. If you have, for instance, here a timestamp, you can select timestamp, and then the first value will be treated as timestamp and the x-axis of your plot. If you're not using it, you will just have an incremental number, so the number of messages received will be on the x-axis. Good, let's create the plot. So here we go. This is the plot, and if I'm moving the sensor board, you will see that the values are changing. So we're not seeing much now, but for inspections, you can press the pause button, then zoom up, and also one nice thing is that we can save the figure. So if you want to restore it, and yeah, then let's resume. We can also on the fly change the update rate. Now it's 1 second, so 1000 milliseconds, or even increase it, so to track fast motions. Now let's see what the gyroscope provides us. Good. So I am selecting again 1000 samples. And here we go. So I'm moving the gyroscope. Let's see how fast we can update it. Okay, seems right. So this is nice for live inspections, but most of the time someone wants to record data over longer duration. And this can be done in parallel. Just open a logger window and again specify the same format string, the file, where you want to store it, and yeah, give it the name. This flush option specifies whether each line received by the from the board will be written into the file or in a batch mode. So we don't want to do it every time we receive a new message, because this will be rather slow and imperformant. So let's create the logger, and if we close it and we check files, we will see that here is a new file created. And let's call it accelerator2 and record some more data with changes this time. Good. And that's basically it. you can save this configuration, because it's pretty annoying to do all the configuration all the time. So let's call it awesome. Good. Then one thing is we can close either graph by graph, doing it individually, and then exit. And I will show you that we can load the same configuration again. It saves us time. So go to open awesome init, and here we go. It should run and give us results. I hope that you like it and have fun.